Good day, my name is Mark Alberto Santos and my topic for today is all about biking. So do you have any experience of hearing so much of negative thoughts from people about your passion but still decided to keep moving because you think that they have nothing to share good things with yourself? Something that not everyone will understand but you, yourself does. Doubting and wasting our time thinking on what others might say with us is a point where we can get a lack of confidence in our plans. It is also the reason why we tend to think that we cannot get through on what we are doing, especially if that comment is against with us. And one thing that I appreciate about is that biking make myself free from all toxic people. Biking makes share good things to me such as gaining friends, learn to think outside of the box, chase success, learn to be more careful. I also learn to be conscious with my physical health, value time and appreciate simple things on what I only have. These benefits are actually the key on my achievements in order to improve myself and build my good character. Having friends is one of my reasons why I like this lifestyle. Apart from the happiness it has brought into my life, I also socialize in the group with which I share the same vibes. Each ride is an opportunity to refresh your mind. Opening up situation makes it easier. Problems and difficult times can fly away because of the friendship one bike can bring. Taking the abilities of these two wheels can establish a good balance of mental health. As I said, every ride creates an opportunity to refresh my mind and think what's the best to your plans. That's why I choose cycling for positive thinking, reduce anxiety, boost my mood and improve my personality for my goals and upcoming situations that I may encounter. Success is never a loss in style. Everything we do can be the result of what we want to achieve in life. I've known few influencers in cycling. I started to realize that I could be successful by first understanding our weaknesses. Also, one of the effects of cycling is not giving up because we all know that it's not about who got it first, but who decided to continue. On the other hand, biking can also be the cause of accidents, and this is one of the downsides that we may encounter. Aside from out balancing and crashing into something, weather can be scary to cyclists especially if it's rainy. In order to avoid this, we must follow precautions, take action in a smartest way, and always pray for safety ride. The number one benefit of biking is for the improvement of our body, help us avoid serious diseases, in other words, to make us healthy. This is also for strengthening bones, reducing calories, and if you want a cardio workout, cycling is one of the easiest ways to be physically and mentally fit. We just need to take the responsibility in order to have a safe ride. Time is the number one priority in biking. Sometimes you will experience being late or you are the one who will wait for the other member. But the most important thing in time is that you will be able to reminisce all the memories you've experienced in biking that you can't bring back. The point on this is that enjoy things while you can and before you regret doing what you really love. In life, biking is like a process where you will need to balance things and do it step by step in order to go to the places you wanted. People come and people go, just like the wheels of your bike. If you want to move forward, even if it is too high to reach, you will continue to push yourself to it. Don't start to stop even if it's hard or not, for you to reach what you really want.